Hello friends, I welcome you in lecture number 11 on Fourier series. In this lecture, we will talk about half-range Fourier series. So first we understand what is half-range series. So suppose a function fx is given on the interval, close interval 0 to L, where L is any positive real number. So suppose our function is defined in this interval 0 to L. Now if function is given on the interval 0 to L, it is immaterial that what happens outside this interval or what happens in this part minus L to 0. If we have minus L here, then if function is given on the interval 0 to L, then it does not matter that what happens outside this interval 0 to L. So we can extend this function over this part minus L to 0 such that graph of fx is symmetric about y-axis or graph of fx is symmetric about origin. If we extend in such a way that graph of fx is symmetric about origin, then that extension is even function. And if we extend the graph of fx in such a way that graph is symmetric about origin, then that extension is known as odd periodic extension. So after extending over minus L to 0, we obtain extended function over this interval. Now if that extended function is even, our Fourier series will contain only cosine terms, and if that extended function is odd, our Fourier series will contain only sine terms. So depending upon the requirement, we may be asked to find out Fourier sine series or Fourier cosine series. So if we are asked to find out Fourier cosine series, we will consider even periodic extension of given function, and if we are asked to find out Fourier sine series, we will consider odd periodic extension of fx. So, and we have discussed that how to find out Fourier series of even and odd functions in two previous lectures. So here we have written all these things. It is immaterial whatever the function may be outside the range close interval 0 to L. So therefore we extend the function to cover the range minus L to L so that the extended function may be odd or even. If we extend the function fx in such a way that graph of fx is symmetric about y-axis, extended function becomes even function on close interval minus L to L, and as we have discussed in previous two lectures, Fourier series of even function is given by fx equal to a0 by 2 sigma an cos n pi x by L, where a0 is 2 by L integral from 0 to L fx dx, and an equal to 2 by L integral from 0 to L fx cos n pi x by L dx. N is from 1 to 3 and so on. So this series is the Fourier series of even periodic extension of fx, which is defined on the interval minus L to L, and that function, extended function, is even. So this Fourier series contains only cosine terms, and it is known as half range Fourier cosine series or simply half range cosine series of given function fx. So if they ask you to find out half range Fourier cosine series or simply Fourier cosine series, then we will be given our function on this type of interval, and they will ask you to find out half range cosine series or half range sine series that we are going to discuss after this. So that half range cosine series is given by this Fourier series in 1, where a0 and an are given by these two formulas. So this is exactly similar to the Fourier series of even function. Now here we have shown the extension of function fx. Our function was given in the interval 0 to L. So we extend this function in such a way that its graph is symmetric about y-axis, and we can see here fx is even function because its graph is symmetric about y-axis. So this is the even periodic extension of function fx which was given on closed interval 0 to L. So because now this is even function, its Fourier series will contain only cosine terms. And similarly, if we extend the function fx in such a way that graph of fx is symmetric about origin, extended function becomes odd function on closed interval minus L to L, and in that case we have discussed what is Fourier series. So Fourier series contains only sine terms, and it is given by sigma bn sin n pi x by L, where bn's are given by 2 by L integral from 0 to L fx sin n pi x by L dx. So this series in equation 2 is known as half range Fourier sine series, or simply half range sine series. So here idea is we extend the function fx in such a way that graph of extended function is symmetric about origin. So this is the odd periodic extension of given function fx, and we have extended it up to minus L to 0. So this is odd periodic extension of function fx. So now if we are going to find out half range Fourier cosine or half range Fourier sine series, we will be given some function fx over half interval, over the interval from close interval 0 to L. So range of interval is half, so therefore it is known as half range Fourier series. So if we are asked to find out Fourier cosine series, we will calculate a0 and an, and then we will use the formula for Fourier cosine series. And if we are asked to obtain Fourier sine series, we will calculate bn, and then we will put in the formula of fx. So either we can express fx as a Fourier cosine series, or we can express fx as a Fourier sine series. So that will be given in the given problem. They will ask you to find out half range Fourier sine series, or half range sine series, or half range cosine series, and so on. So you have to decide appropriately. So